Hello everyone. Today we are going to start lesson 3 of your computer book, that is Tux Paint. In today's video we will learn two things. The first thing is how to download Tux Paint, and secondly I will be explaining all the different parts of Tux Paint. Okay, so let's start with a brief introduction of Tux Paint. So Tux Paint is basically a software which is developed for drawing and painting. Okay, it is developed by Bill Kendrick in the year 2002. Okay, now let's learn how to download Tux Paint in our computers and laptops. So to download Tux Paint, we will go to our search engine. I'm using Google. You can use the search engines like Internet Explorer, Google, Firefox, etc. So you have to type download Tux Paint for Windows 7 or 4, whichever Windows you are having. Just writing Windows will also be enough. Okay, now you will enter this and you will go for the download Windows Tux Paint in tuxpaint.org, because that is the official website, and then you have to go and click on the Tux Paint 0.9 option and you will get Tux Paint downloaded in your system. This is how your Tux Paint looks. Okay, so let's learn the different parts of Tux Paint. As you can see, left side has all the tools. Okay, at the bottom there are many colors which you can use with your tools. The center part, which is you can see of white color, is your canvas where you can color and paint. Now let's start learning about each tool which we have in Tux Paint. The first tool is Paint tool. Okay, as soon as you click on Paint, you can just choose different type of brushes available over here. Like you can choose a circle or a arrow or a star, whichever you want. You can choose your color and then you just have to click. Okay, if you want to draw a circle of a different color, select the circle and see, it's very easy. If you want to draw arrow, just select the color and arrow and click. This is how we use Paint tool. Now let's learn how to use stamp. Click on the stamp tool. You can see all the available stamps here. You just have to click whichever stamp you want and you can just click on the canvas and you will get all those stamps. Okay, just click, select the stamp and click in your canvas. Can you see how interesting and easy it is? Now we will go for the next tool, that is lines. The lines tool, as it suggests, you can draw lines. You can select the width of the line from these dots. Okay, as I've selected the thickest one, you just select the color, then click on the screen and make a line by dragging it. See, the line is ready. You can just change the thickness according to your convenience. Okay, just click and drag. It's very easy, isn't it? Just click and drag. See, this is how we use lines too. The next tool is shapes tool. Click on the shapes tool and you can see different type of shapes available on the right side. Select the shape and select the color. Just click and drag. See, the rectangle is ready. Right? You can even draw solid colors like figures with colors filled in it. It's very easy. Select the color, select the type of figure which you want, click and drag, and the figure or the shape is ready. See how easy it is. Now we will learn about the next two tools, text and label. The next tool which we are going to learn is text tool. As the name suggests, with the help of text tool you can type. So I can write with the help of this. I can even change the color of my text by just selecting it. So we will use text tool to type in the Tux Paint. With the help of label tool, you can change the style of your text. Can you see the options given in the right side? We can just select and you can write in different styles using label tool. After text tool, what we have is undo and redo. Now what undo does, whatever you are doing, the last action will be undone by undo command, and redo will help you to do it again. The next is eraser command. So for eraser command, you should have something on your screen. So as you can see, I have drawn 2 circles. Now with the eraser command, I can actually rub this. Okay, this is why we choose eraser command. Can you see? I've cleaned the whole screen using eraser command. I can select the different type of erasers and I can erase my mistakes. The new command helps me to open a new type of page. I can just select the page and I will click on open. Then it will ask me whether I want to save it or not. So if I want to save it, I will click on the right. If I do not want to save it, I will click on cross and I will get the new canvas ready for me to paint. The next is open command. Open command helps me to open any of the saved Tux Paint documents, any pictures which I have made in Tux Paint, and save will help me to save my existing opened Tux Paint. Okay, this is how the tools are used. In the next class, I will be telling you about magic tool, which is a very interesting topic. So have a good day.